I'm going to using the Microsoft project to make a simple schedule. So you guys may already have a simple schedule, or you can use your own schedule, right? So I still do the same thing. So the first one I do, this is a basement. Yours will be different to this, okay? And the duration I see this is 5 days, right? And I have my level 1, and I give about 6 days. Yours will be different, right? You guys will be exactly the activity you have, not be the level sense. I'm just going to do this to save the time, and I do the roof. And that will be about 4 days, right? So now I need to link my activities. So the way you guys link the activities may be using the control to pick up the 2 and then link, right? And then you have this and this relation you link. And this relation you link. So I have a very simple activities, and I have my starting days and ending days, and I'm going to save my project to this computer desktop, right? And this will be the example. So you guys will have your final project part 2, right? So okay, I have this one, and I'm going to close this one and open the Navisworks. So now I don't need this. Those are the example things. I'm now doing the Navisworks over here, still the same thing. If you first time open, you type line and you will see this, right? And okay, and then I go into the date resource, right? And I'm 8. I'm going to input. You can see here it can input multiple activities. You can use CSV, you can use the Microsoft project, Microsoft your old version, the P6, different versions, right? So I'm going to input the Microsoft MPX. I guess this is the correct version we have, right? So where I put it, I probably put it in the desktop, right? Here is the example. So this is not Microsoft preferred. So I'm adding this one. Microsoft project 2007 to 2017. 2013, right? Yes, it's showing here. Okay, I'm over it. So a little bit tricky over here is you will see all the columns over there, and some of them you may use it, some of them may not use it, right? So then we click OK. So later on, if we're doing the 5D scheduling, that means, so 5D estimating, that means we need to add in the field names, we need to get a cost information, that will be different, right? So, but for here, so also we can automatically load in the task types. So for here, this case, we don't have it. So here you see that have a planned start dates, the planned start dates. And this is your external file. I mean, from your Microsoft project, you will pick up this as what do we see? Start dates, right? So you can use your start dates. And the planned end dates you can use with your end dates. So you need to do this link here. Otherwise, you need to do them all of them one by one, right? So the cost information we do not have any, but this ID number you will put here. So Syntract needs the ID, you do the ID, and the start, finish. So this task here is important. But we do not have anything here, we just leave it there, and you can do it later. So, okay. And you have this input in here. And now I'm going to save this model. I'm going to the task over here. And you want to do the refresh, right? And let's see if we have it here. Interesting. There's nothing showing here. So let's edit this one. ID. Okay, Now we come back, it show up here. So you have the basement, you have the level 2, and the roof. Everything has been scheduled, right? So you have your plan start date, you have plan end date, and the only thing you need to add in here is the task types. So you can pick up this one and see all construction. And I believe those will be changing construction as well. So let's do a simulation, see. If not, that means you need to go back to the task here and you click out those, do the construction. So, and oh, I forgot to do the attachment. So pick up all things tabs to the construction and attach the tabs. So you still open this one, basement, all the basement stuff, right? Going to this one, attach. And the level 1, attach to here. And the level 2, attach to here. And the roof, and attach to here. And we go to the simulate again. You will see. Here is doing the basement. And then doing the level 1, right? And then doing the level 2. And then doing the roof. So that is how the fully scheduling looks like. Does that make sense? So, so basically when you have your data source over here and you want to go to your Microsoft project, I open this Microsoft project here. And I'm wondering if I needed to add in some stuff here, like clean, like the breakdown, or see the deconstruction, okay? I'm adding a deconstruction here, and I will do 2 days for deconstruction, and then my deconstruction will be after this roof. And I'm going to link here. And see, this is my updated schedule, and I save this one. And I come back to the Navisworks over here, and I do the refresh. All data sources, right? And I'm using this option here. I use this option here. Do not use the first option, because if you use the first option, your associated data will be removed. Using the last one, you just want to update it. Going back to a task. Come on, you should have one updated since come back. For whatever resource here, we should have updated it. It will take some time to communication between the two software. Okay, so if this one does not work, then we go in the first one, rebuild, right? Rebuild it. So now you see I have a new deconstruction here. This instance is linked with your Microsoft project file. So if you update in your Microsoft project, you will be updated over here. We're not using this one for scheduling, but we can input the scheduling from the Microsoft project or the P6. So now I'm going to do a deconstruction. My deconstruction, I'm going to, this will be demolished, right? And I'm going to remove this building. See, attached to camera section. And I go to the simulation. This is work on these buildings, right? And then it's still level 2. This doing the roof and the deconstruction. Pew! Your building disappeared. Does that make sense? All right, so that's the difference between the two. So definitely we don't need this one. We remove this one. All right, so that is how we do the 4D scheduling. So your case will be much more difficult because you have more activities. So if you have more activities, then you need to going down to find the different pieces, right? You already learned the estimates because you are in the same cohort for these two classes. So you know how to find your single pieces, right? Any challenge, let me know, okay? So I'm going to start in